waar jy ook al in die land mag wees en na hierdie opname kyk, wat 'n ongelooflike voorreg vandag op 1 Junie 2025 hierdie herdenkingdiens hier by die Voortrekker Monument by te woon, wat bedoel is om gesneuvelde soldate op hierdie pragtige manier te eer. Dis nog vroeg, die gaste het nog nie opgedaag nie, maar ek dink om 'n voorsitter soos Johan de Pre te hê en die manne wat help om dit 'n moontlikheid te maak, moet die mense hulle regtig salueer en vir hulle sê baie dankie. As jy ooit in die een onderhoudseenheid of in enige van daai groepe gedien het, moet julle my asseblief kontak. Vandag is dit vir ons 'n groot eer om vir die eerste keer vandat hierdie gedenkmuur hier geopen is, om hierdie pragtige geleentheid by te woon. Ons voorsitter, Okkie van vereniging, wil ek daarom sê, dis 'n staatmaker. Okkie, baie dankie. Jou inisiatief en jou vele oproepe na my toe om hierdie ding te begin, nee, spreek boekdele. Die pragtige vla wat jy laat maak het met ons kenteken op, kan enige man wat diens gedoen het in enige van die onderhoudsgroepe pragtig weer trots op wees. Ek kan nie vir julle beskryf nie, die ongelooflike gevoel om hierso te staan en om te dink amper 40 jaar terug was ons jong seuns van 18 jaar wat vir hierdie land gaan diens doen het, vir volk en vaderland. Ja, ek het al baie keer gevra, jy weet, was ons verraai gewees as ons kyk wat in hierdie land vandag gebeur, dat die blanke eintlik 'n bedreigde spesies is. Het ons manne hulle lewens opgeoffer verniet, oralste in hierdie land, van die Anglo-Boereoorlog se tyd af, het ons hierdie land getem met ons bloed. Maar nou ja, dis seker 'n gesprek vir 'n ander dag. Maar ongelooflike voorreg om vandag hierso te wees. En ek weet nie wie almal van onderhoudseenheidse groepe gaan opdaag nie. So kyk of ek so 'n bietjie onderhoude met hulle kan doen. En dan ook daai vla met trots kan laat wapper. Al wat jy sien is daai blou masjien, soos wat een ou vir my gesê het. Maar kom ons deel hierdie oomblik met manne wat in die onderhoudsgroepe was, wat of 'n landmyn afgetrap het, of op een of ander manier oorlede is en die hoogste prys betaal het. Jy weet, vir hierdie land, Suid-Afrika.
Tussen bosse en bome, tussen grense wag ons almal môre. Maar op 18 was ons almal verlore. Hoe kan ons verstaan? En wie wieg na ons lewe, waar net God alleen weet waaroor ons lewe. Maar op 18 wou ons almal net lewe. Net een slag toe was jou lewe verby. Roep jy na my? Roep jy my terug na die Kaplyn, my vriend? Die jare het die wêreld gedraai. Toe ons jong was, so sou ons dit kon raai. Soek jy na my? Soek jy my nou in die stof en jou bloed? Jy het gesê jy hoor God na jou roep. Toes dit als verby. En na al hierdie jare, ver verlore dryf ons rond in stade. Net soldate leef met grense se skade. Hoe kan ons verstaan? van daai bosstreed en spore. In die donker bos was broeders gebore. In die donker saamgebid vir 'n môre. Net in slag toe was jou lewe verby. Roep jy na my, roep jy my terug na die kaplei, my vriend. Deur die jare en die wêreld gedraai. Toe ons jong was, hoe sou ons dit kon raai? En waar is jy nou? Is jou naam dan op ons mure gehou? Jy was nooit vereer en niemand gaan nou. Oor jou lewe skryf en wat jy nog wou. En by daai mure staan ek vir ure. Ons is almal hier vandag om eer te bring aan hulle wat die hoogste prys betaal het. Dit was hulle plig om te dien. Dit is nou ons plig om te onthou. Maar was jou naam nou my vriend? Kan hulle nie verstaan? Jong soldate vergaan sonder rede na hulle plan. Roep jy na my? Roep jy my terug na die kaplei, my vriend? Deur die jare en die wêreld gedraai. Toe ons jong was, hoe sou ons dit kon raai? En waar is jy nou? Is jou naam dan op ons mure gehou? Jy was nooit vereer en niemand gaan nou. Oor jou lewe skryf en wat jy nog wou. Roep jy na my? Roep jy na my? Roep jy na my? Roep jy na my?
Ladies and gentlemen and dear friends, I'm Arnold Gnitz, and again it is my privilege and honor to be your Master of Ceremonies today. Believe it or not, for the 8th year in a row. I think the budget has been very small so far. Welcome to this special event on the annual Memorial Service Calendar, and it certainly is a very special event. Our target for this year was to have 1,000 people attending. Why? Well, 1,000 because we have 1,000 reasons to remember. Thousands of men and women who served with pride, and there are thousands of stories to be told by those who sacrificed together, which includes you. I've just received confirmation from the registration table that the number of people in attendance is in excess of 850, so we got pretty close. But then again, so did the stormers. Can we give ourselves a big round of applause, please? Allow me to announce a few elementary arrangements to just smoothen out our proceedings, and as well as share some information of the program of the day. Obviously, your program contains other information as well, including the sequence of events of the day. The banners displayed from your left to right are as follows, and the list is quite extensive, so bear with me here. Firstly, the CMVO. the South African Legion, the Memorable Order of Tin Hats, the Sappers Association, the Pretoria Regiment Association, the NOA or Naval Officer or Office Association rather, Savannah Veterans Association, the Armour Association, SA Infantry Association, and then Special Forces, 32 Battalion Vets Association, and 61 MEG Veterans Association as well. The SA Defence Force Association, the PVO or Parabank Veterans Organisation, the KDK, dis die militaire veterane organisasies, en dan SWASPES. Kan ons vir elkeen ook 'n groot ronde applaus gee asseblief. Die skildwagte sal later in die program deur Sergeant-Majoor Hendrik van der Linden van die SA Weermagvereniging ontplooi word. Die skildwagte word weer eens vanjaar verteenwoordig deur jong matriekseuns van die Hoërskool Swartkop. Toe ons self jare gelede rapporteer het vir dienslig net na skool, was ons die ouderdom van 18 of 19, soos hierdie jong manne vandag. Ons waardeer vandag hulle deelname en ondersteuning aan hierdie besonderse geleentheid, en terwyl ons die hande lekker warm het, kom ons klap op skot sommer vir hulle. Groot applaus, want het is goed om te sien. At exactly 10 o'clock, a flight past will be done by a Kudu aircraft and an Alouette 3 helicopter to open the day officially. A Bosbok was supposed to do the flight past, but it unfortunately became unserviceable during the week, and therefore the pilot asked that we please don't put him up in the air. The Kudu aircraft will then do the flight past today. The Kudu, or also known as the Atlas C4M, was a light transport aircraft used by the South African Air Force between 1974 and 1991. It was a popular aircraft, particularly for skydive operations, and some privately owned Kudus are still flying today. The Alouette 3 helicopter played a multifaceted role in the South African border war, serving as a very versatile utility aircraft for various missions. It was the first modern helicopter delivered to the South African Air Force and was utilized for liaison and command, mountain rescue search and recovery, and very many other various and varied tasks. After the flight past, Major General Lawrence Smith, retired chairman of the CMVO South Africa, will welcome and address all of you, our esteemed and very honored guests. Marius van Rooyen, the chaplain of the CMVO South Africa, will then lead the service after the Wonka message of the chairman. All guests will then be seated throughout the service. Video recordings are being made today, and there's also a live streaming service that is going on at the moment as we speak, and we request all guests to be seated till the end of those proceedings, as unnecessary movement could be a disturbance and also be in the line of sight of our cameras. So daar word vandag video-opnames geneem en daar's ook 'n regstreekse uitsending. Ons versoek u asseblief om te bly sit tot aan die einde van verrigtinge, aangesien beweging sturend kan wees vir die opname as ook vir kameras se siglyn. Ons trompetspeler vir vanoggend is Harry Viljoen, en on top of it all, as always, a function like this cannot happen without pipes. Our bagpiper today is Walter Cruz. Could you give them a round of applause as well? Please, we look forward to hearing them, and I know they're going to entertain us royally.
Tussen bosse en bome, tussen grense wag ons almal môre. Maar op 18 was ons almal verlore. Hoe kan ons verstaan? En wie weeg na ons lewe, waar net God alleen weet waaroor ons lewe. Maar op 18 wou ons almal net lewe. Net een slag toe was jou lewe verby. Roep jy na my? Roep jy my terug na die Kaaplein, my vriend? Die jare het die wêreld gedraai. Toe ons jong was, so sou ons dit kon raai. Soek jy na my? Soek jy my nou in die stof en jou bloed? Jy het gesê jy hoor God na jou roep. Toe's dit als verby. En na al hierdie jare ver verlore dryf ons rond in stade. Net soldate leef met grense se skade. Hoe kan ons verstaan van daai bosstreed en spore in die donker bos as broeders gebore, in die donker saamgewit vir 'n môre. Net in slag toe was jou lewe verby. Roep jy na my, roep jy my terug na die kaplei, my vriend. Deur die jare en die wêreld gedraai. Toe ons jong was, hoe sou ons dit kon raai? En waar is jy nou? Is jou naam dan op ons mure gehou? Jy was nooit vereer en niemand gaan nou oor jou lewe skryf en wat jy nog wou. En by daai mure staan ek vir ure. Ons is almal hier vandag om eer te bring aan hulle wat die hoogste prys betaal het. Dit was hulle plig om te dien. Dit is nou ons plig om te onthou. Maar was jou naam nou my vriend? Kan hulle nie verstaan? Jong soldate vergaan sonder rede na hulle vergaan. Roep jy na my? Roep jy my terug na die kaplei, my vriend? Deur die jare en die wêreld gedraai. Toe ons jong was, hoe sou ons dit kon raai? En waar is jy nou? Is jou naam dan op ons liere behou? Jy was nooit vereer en niemand gaan nou oor jou lewe skryf en wat jy nog wou. Roep jy na my? Roep jy na my? Roep jy na my? Roep jy na my?
Die voorsitter-generaal Major Lawrence Smith sal nou die amptelike verwelkoming doen.
Goedemorgen, dames en heren. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure and honor to welcome to all of you to our annual remembrance service of the Council of Military Veterans Organizations of South Africa. Military veteran organizations present here today. Then also welcome to the staff and the learners. A special word of welcome to the next of kin, of those whose names are on the wall here behind me. You are honoring us with your presence today. would like to single out the family and friends of those whose details on the wall is corrected and the 5 names that we have added to the wall. We are honored by your presence. It is not our practice, and I don't want to create a precedent with this, but this year our theme with the Remembrance Service is to honor those who have paid the highest price, but also to recognize the trauma their family and friends experienced. I'm going to provide a bit more details on all the names that we are seeing in the wall for the first time and the one that which is corrected. I'll start with the Killed in Action update on the wall. As you may or may not know, the soldiers, airmen, seamen, medical personnel killed in action has an asterisk behind his name to indicate that he was killed in action. We are updating the wall with Rifleman Fanie de Bruin, who died on the 12th of September 1987. He was from the South African Cape Corps, and he was killed when his Buffalo troop carrier overturned during a contact and subsequent hot pursuit operation against People Liberation Army of Namibia insurgents in northern Wambeland. He was 21 years old. Then names that we have added, starting with one in 1971, Lieutenant Colonel J.S. Innes. Lieutenant Colonel Innes died on the 16th of June 1971 in Luanda, Angola. He was initially an active citizen force member for 16 years and the officer commanding of the Cape Town Rifles, the Dukes. At 34, he joined the permanent force with the rank of Major, and he became the first second in command of Force Sai in Middelburg. He was later transferred to the Staff of Defence Headquarters, Joint Command Forces. In June 1971, he, together with Colonel Blackie Swart, was sent on a confidential mission to Luanda, where unofficial meetings and dinners were held with some of the high-ranking Portuguese officers. Halfway through their stay, he suffered a heart attack in Luanda and died at the age of 42. His death certificate was issued in Portuguese. The second name is in 1984, Lieutenant J.J. Herter. Lieutenant J.J. Herter, ouderdom 24, verbonden aan die Universiteit van Pretoria Militaire Eenheid en ook Sector 70 in Katima Mulilo. Hy was aanvanklik by een valskermiljoen en daar is hy gekeer vir junior leieropleiding. Hy verkleur sy kursus in 1978, waarna hy na 3-1 bataljon verplaas is en met die Sandtroepe gewerk het. Hy het ook in die Caprivi gedien tydens sy diensplig. Later as stukkies ingenieurswese student is hy deur die SA Weermag gewerf en het in koevertoperasies in Mosambiek teen Frelimo magte diens gedoen. Rename dokumente wat in die navorsingsproses gebruik is, verwys na Johan as Voluntario, the Volunteer and the White Lion. Lieutenant Herter was killed in a still unresolved incident in Katima Mulilo on the 16th of June 1984 at Fort Doppies, Katima Mulilo, while he was serving there under the command of Colonel Jan Breitenbach. In 1989, 2 men died, Schutter W.J. Spannenberg and Schutter A. de Tooy. Now, our research team picked this up from a newspaper clipping in 1989, and PPM started investigating the deaths of these 2 members of 1 parachute battalion in Bloemfontein. They hitchhiked, returning from weekend pass, making use of the Right Safe scheme that was implemented by the SADF. They were returning from Pretoria to Bloemfontein on the 27th of October 1989 and was overrun by a vehicle on the N1 at 22 hours in the evening. They were both 19 years old. Then also in 1989, Marine P. Changavalu, Marine Puvintaran Changavalu from the South African Marine Corps was killed instantly on the 23rd of January 1989 in a shooting incident while stationed at Vanilla Base. The cause was an accidental discharge due to incorrect safety precautions. He was killed instantly. He was 19 years old. Before concluding, I would like to share a poem written by the son of Corporal Eduard Coetzee Engelbrecht, who died at Savati on the 21st of May. I never held your hand, nor heard your voice. But your name beats in my chest like a war drum. Corporal Eduard Coetzee Engelbrecht, my father, my blood, a lion among men, who stood strong through the flood. They called it Savati, where the red dust turned to grave, where silence was broken by the cry of the brave. You crossed the river where the crocodiles fed, but it was not fear, it was faith that led. You were the last to cross, the first to defend, a shield to your brothers, a warrior to the end. And when the fire rained down from the enemy line, you stood your ground and gave no retreat sign. Not for glory, not for fame, but for the men who called your name so they could fight another day. You gave your life and chose to stay. Your radio man, loyal and true, chose death over leaving you. They found you both among the slain. Brothers and sisters, excuse me. I hear your legacy in the stories they tell of a man who walked through the gates of hell with courage that would never bend, with love for God that would never end. You show them what the shoulder is made of, not just iron, but faith and love. I followed your path through foreign sand, a rifle, a pack, and calloused hands. But I still look up and wonder why I never got to say goodbye. Though I never knew your face, your laugh, your eyes, in me your spirit never dies. You never quit, never ran. You lived and died a valiant man. And I, your son, will bear your name with honor. At the going down of the sun and in the morning, I will remember your silent warning to stand for what's right, to fight when it is just, to guard the weak, to keep the trust. Rest now, soldier, your battle is done, the war is over, the peace is won. And though I walk this world apart, you lie forever in my heart, we will remember them, forever proud to be your son. In conclusion, my gratitude and thanks again to Johan de Prier and all the participants of the various associations who made this tribute to our fallen brothers a memorable experience. You all allow us to get this, to set the standard and honouring and remembering our fallen. It's also a fact that a remembrance service like this is a costly affair, and we cannot do without our loyal sponsors and supporters and friends. Please refer to the back of your brochure and see who makes it possible for us to maintain this annual event. To our sponsors, I thank you sincerely for your support. It means the world to us. I thank you.
When we were there to do our national duty, then we were young and gave our country all. Soldiers we were to fight the war for freedom. Yes, we were there peace we fought for all. We walked the walk, we did it for our people. We walked the walk, brothers in arms we were. Every day and every night together we walk the walk. We train to fight the war. So well prepared, we took the challenge on. But then you fell, no time to greet my brother. The highest price you sacrificed, my friend. Now we stand up to honor you, young soldier. Now we stand up, we salute you again today. Forever we will stand up and remember. Forever we will honor you, my friend. Now we stand up to honor you, young soldier. Now we stand up, we salute you again today. Forever we will stand up and remember. Forever we will honor you, my friend. Forever we will honor you, my friend. I just want to speak the name of Jesus over every heart and every mind, 'cause I know there is peace within your presence. I speak Jesus. I just want to speak the name of Jesus till every dark addiction starts to break, declaring there is hope and there is freedom. I speak Jesus. Your name is power, your name is healing, your name is life. Break every stronghold, shine through the shadows, burn like a fire. I just want to speak the name of Jesus over fear and all anxiety, to every helm held captive by depression. I speak Jesus. Your name is power, your name is healing, your name is Your name is power, your name is healing, your name is life. Break every stronghold, shine through the shadows, burn like fire. Shout Jesus from the mountains, Jesus in the streets, Jesus in the darkness over every enemy. Jesus for my family, I speak the holy name of Jesus. Shout Jesus from the mountains, Jesus in the streets, Jesus in the darkness over every enemy. Jesus for my family, I speak the holy name of Jesus. Shout, shout, shout Jesus from the mountains, Jesus in the streets, Jesus in the darkness over every enemy. Jesus for my family, I speak the holy name of Jesus. Your name is power, your name is healing, your name is life. Break every stronghold, shine through the shadows, burn like a fire. Your name is power, your name is healing, your name is life. Break every stronghold, shine through the shadows, burn like a fire. I just want to speak the name of Jesus over every heart and every mind, 'cause I know there is peace within your presence. I speak Jesus.
Gehoorsaam tot die opdrag van jong seun tot soldaat, opgeleid tot die beste, hul drome agtergelaat. Dit was tog nie hul keuse, op 18 nog 'n kind, beraad en vasbeslote, tot die taak verbind. Hul toekoms het nog voorgelê, hul geliefdes moes eers wag. Vandaar was eers 'n taak, gedoen deur dag en nag. 'n Span van jong soldate, gewerk soos 'n masjien, hanteer al die uitdagings. Hulle het ons land gedien. Lewens op die spel geplaas vir volk en vaderland. Alles het gebeur, onder God se hand. Geloof en gebede het hulle hierdeur gehaal, maar ook het van hulle makkers die hoogste prys betaal. Ons staan vandag hier saam om eer aan hulle te bring. Hulle name op ons mure met groot hartseer omring. Nooit sal ons vergeet nie, ons sal julle altyd eer. Vir ons kamerade, rus op gekeerde geweer. Families en geliefdes, julle dra die pyn steeds saam. En soos die jare aanstap, word dit net weer behaal. Proteas en ander blomme lê ons vir hulle neer. Ons dra dit ook aan julle op. Wees sterk tot volgende keer.
Guests, ladies and gentlemen, if I could ask you now please to be upstanding for the last post. 2-minute silence, the reveille and the ode of remembrance.
They shall not grow old, as we who are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.
As we start proceeding with the wreath-laying ceremony, here's some very stark facts. The Geneva Academy estimates right now that there are more than 110 armed conflicts ongoing in the world as we speak.
Een naam wat oorgeslaan is sopas, mevrou Lillian Ramos vir RSM ACR Ramos. Then on behalf of the Gunners Association, Gunner On behalf of the Sapper Memorial Trust and the Sappers Association, Colonel Andrew Dinwoodie and Warrant Officer First Class Jack Jooster. Namens die Savannah Bond van Veterane, Luitenant-Kolonel Renaud Boysen. Colonel DJ Lowe, President of the South African Korean War Veterans Association. They have slipped the surly bonds of earth and danced the skies on laughter-slivered wings. Sal alle Suid-Afrikaanse Weermagvereniging lede staan asseblief. Hulle het al lewens gegee sodat ons 'n toekoms kon hê. Hul drome was nooit vervul nie, terwyl ons lewe en tot ons sterwe sal ons onthou. En dan meneer Chris Tennyson namens die KDK. Meneer Arthur Tinus van Jaarsveld on behalf of Kuramus. Veteran Marina Valentine on behalf of the South African Signals Association. Lieutenant Terry Tibe on behalf of the Rhodesian Corps of Engineers. Sapeur Johan van der Mescht en sy eggenote. Sapeur Johan van der Mescht was 4,5 jaar in die Angolese tronk en later in 1982 by Oos-Berlyn by Checkpoint Charlie uitgeruil vir Russiese KG's en spioene. Hy eer die 3 makkers wat by Elondo Watergat deur SWAPO gedood is en op 19 Februarie 1978 vir die eerste keer verdag. De skutter JCL Ferreira, skutter R.O. Hunter, skutter H. Bosch. Namens Ferreira, Hunter en Bosch, as ook skutter Kloete en oud SAPS Nel.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are invited to view the wreaths and the crosses at the wall and to enjoy refreshments where you had tea and coffee this morning. For those of you who have not had your picture taken before the service by the photographer at the Ox Wagon, please feel free to do so now, as all photographs will be emailed free of charge to you. Please also take note of the email address and the website address and the YouTube address. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been my honor to share this morning with you. Brilliant, wonderful, and gorgeous as it was. Thank you for the opportunity to share this special day with you. We look forward to seeing you at the wall again next year, when we again can commemorate together. And then hopefully we will crack the 1000 mark. Ons wens julle alle vreugde, vrede, voorspoed, gesondheid en goddelikheid saam met u, soos ons en almal vandag verder gaan. Seën u.
Okay, say cheese. Okay.
Met al twee vla, as julle kan. Julle lyk soos 'n klomp pregnant fairies, trek bietjie daai pense in.
Dan net te lank staan.
Ja, dan as ek te lank vat, dan gaan julle uitpaas ook in elk geval. Hier is nou die voorblad vir die bonna, né?
Ek hoop julle is volgens diens hier.
Ja. Alraai, dan net vir my ook plek. Hierdie ou neem ook 'n foto hierdie kant. Hou jou asem op kyk, ja. Daar's hy. Josie.
Oké. Waar is op?
Dis 'n mooi rykerraai, dankie. Waar is die ander manne? Ai! Ek ken dit om haar by die huis.
O, okay, laat net nie skryf.
Ja. O, Jesus. Hou net vas dat jy nou nie kom Maar is die voorblad voor jou vir die bonna. Die bonna. Jy het lanklaas so aantreklike man gesien.
Goed, van die kant af, van daai kant af.